Sea wasp or box jellyfish. It is considered one of the most venomous and deadly creatures on the planet. Other names attributed to it include box jellyfish, box jelly, cubomedusa, or cubosome jellyfish. These names are given due to the characteristic square-shaped body, from which extend 60 tentacles that are about 80 centimeters long, with the potential to reach up to 3 meters in length in the adult phase. Sea wasps primarily inhabit tropical waters in northern Australia. Fun fact, it is the only specimen among these jellyfish that contains a sufficient amount of venom to kill up to 600 people. Yellow scorpion. The yellow scorpion is found in Italy, southern France, and the Iberian Peninsula. It inhabits dry and stony places. During the day, it tends to stay hiding on the rocks in warmer areas. At night, it goes out to hunt insects, arachnids, crustaceans, and myriapods, among others. Its hunting methods involves injecting venom from its terminal sting to paralyze its prey. It is considered of moderate danger to humans, and its sting is very painful. Fun fact, yellow scorpions lack chewing organs and their anterior intestine serves as a sucking organ. Violin spider. This spider is distinguished by its 3 pairs of eyes, pear-shaped cephalothorax, and the violin-shaped marking. It is a nocturnal species that adapts to any ecosystem. At its preferred daytime location are dark corners from which it emerges to hunt. Its activity increases on warm summer nights with moonlight. Fun fact, it tends to hide in cracked and hard-to-reach corners, often in dusty and untidy places. Blue-ringed octopus. It is one of the first species of venomous blue-ringed octopuses. Despite its vernacular name, it is a small octopus that does not exceed 10 centimeters in size and has an average weight of 80 grams. The coloration of this octopus varies depending on circumstances and the environment. Fun fact, each specimen carries enough venom to kill 26 humans in just a few minutes. Golden poison dart frog. It is a unique species measuring about 5 centimeters and possesses enough venom to kill 10 adult humans. This rarely curled amphibian is one of the largest among over 100 species of poisonous dart frogs. The average length is 2.5 centimeters. They inhabit a small area in the tropical rainforest of the Pacific coast of Colombia. Poison dart frogs feed on flies, crickets, ants, termites, and beetles. Fun fact, the Mara indigenous people of Colombia has used this potent poison for centuries to coat the tips of the dart they shoot with their blowguns. Hence, the name of this species, stonefish. It is a fish that often lives under rocks and lengths up to 20 meters deep. It has a warty and spotted body that blends with its surroundings. The mouth is located on the top of the body along with the eyes, and is large in size. When capturing prey, it opens forward widely and then returns to its initial position. It feeds on fish and crustaceans. The ventral, dorsal, and anal fins have some heart rates transformed into spines that can inject venom. Fun fact, its sting tends to cause death within a few hours, as it affects cells and the nervous system. If not, the healing process can be very slow. One should be immediately treated with hot water. Geography cone snail. The geography cone snail measures about 15 centimeters and has a shell with intricate brown and white designs. It is the most venomous among the 500 known species of these invertebrates, and several human deaths have been attributed to it. Its venom, a complex mixture of hundreds of different toxins, is shot through a harpoon-like dart via its extendable proboscis. Fun fact, there is no antidote for the sting of the geography cone snail. The only possible treatment is to keep the victim alive until the toxins are naturally eliminated. Black mamba. Due to the toxicity of its venom, the black mamba is considered one of the deadliest snakes in the world. In addition to this formidable characteristic, its length is another notable feature. On average, the reptile measures between 2 and 2.5 meters, although larger specimens can reach up to 4.3 meters. The color of its skin is dark green or gray on the back and whitish or cream color on the belly, while the inside of its mouth is bluish black, a characteristic from which it gets its name. Fun fact: there is currently an antidote to counteract the effects of black mamba venom in humans. Unfortunately, it has not been widely distributed in the rural areas of the African countries where the snake resides. Without this resort, a bite can lead to death within a period of no more than 20 minutes. Inland taipan snake. The inland taipan is one of the most venomous snakes in the world. In fact, its venom is the most toxic among any terrestrial snake. It possesses the deadliest venom of any land snake. Its venom is 10 times more potent than that of a rattlesnake and 50 times more potent than that of a cobra. The size of this formidable snake is medium to large, with an average length of 2 meters. Fun fact: this snake is not very aggressive and tends to live away from humans. There are no recorded deaths due to its bite, although it could kill an adult in just 45 minutes. Vulture sea snake. The vulture sea snake is the most venomous species of sea snake, and its venom is up to 100 times more potent than that of the most venomous land snake species. However, it is not dangerous to humans, as it rarely bites, and when it does not release its full venom. Its size typically ranges from half a meter to 1.5 meters, although some species can reach 3 meters. Fun fact: the bite of this snake does not produce symptoms in the initial moments. The person may only feel a kind of pinprick, but if the appropriate antidote is not applied in time, common symptoms of poisoning will start to appear between 20 minutes and up to 8 hours later.